So ideally at this point, you should figure out where the light shaft is going to go. From there, you could kind of decide where your surface refractions are, not surface, volumetric refractions are. So like if you had something that is some sort of thing that did occur. If you had some surface subtraction or some volumetric subtraction like that, you can go ahead and have it in place before you start doing anything else. What we recommend is that you make all of your volumetric subtraction first before you turn it into a thickened wall. Only reason is that once you make it into a thickened wall, it's harder to manipulate your three-dimensional subtractive composition. So kind of go ahead and do this all at once, where you have the solid piece and your volumetric subtraction kind of where you think it should be. Then you could adjust everything as you go by. Okay. Once you do this though, you might want to copy this over again as a safety. That way you could always go back to the last step that you were in. Okay. So once you had this done, you might say hide, go to the bottom, select that bottom piece off. These are still together, good. And then you could say offset surface. Distance 9, sharp, yes, and flip all, enter, and hope that there's no really weird shape that's going on. Okay. And it looks fairly clean. Of course, it should be clean because there's no complex subtraction going on. Okay. But that's that. From here, let's just say I like the position of the podium. I don't really like it, but this is just an example. And this is like either centered or maybe to the edge. Since your object, your podium piece, is 1 foot wide, your window that you're going to make is also going to be 1 foot wide, because that's what the light shaft is. Okay, or that's what the light shaft is, all that's required to illuminate this piece of artwork down here. Remember, the solar rays are considered parallel from the source of the sun, so it needs to be a parallel line. So once you have that, all you really need to do is to go ahead and boolean difference this with all of your light shaft. That would make your windows in its place. I don't think I need these stuff anymore, so I'm just going to delete it. Besides, if I need this thing, I always have the copy, right? So there it is. These are the windows that's required to make a these are the apertures required to shine a light right on this 12 by 12 by 12 piece. Okay, there's going to be something goofy about this, and that is that it is at an angled wall and such. So we're going to fix this, all right, in the next video.